Hey, good evening, traders. We're just taking a look here at a crude oil trade today. Right now trading at 106.70. We're going to be entering at 107.08. So let's go put our order in. Actually, we're going one tick before at 107. 107.07. I think it's a little closer. And what this trade is, it's a counter trend type trade, and it's one that you sit and you wait, get in. I'm explaining the parameters I use. I use a 10 tick stop, and then for my targets I'm using 5, 10, and 25. Okay, so they'll give you an idea. Okay, and what you do is you sit and you wait. Now, if it comes to the entry point and we don't get filled, then what I do is I cancel my order, and then you just wait for another opportunity. What we don't want to see is hit this area, you're not filled, comes down, and then hits for a second time. Yes,
order filled.
Yes, it does work sometimes, but
target filled.
I like to hit it the first time and then back off. Okay, so right now we have two targets. That's how I like to see it, is a quick bounce. I bring my stop. It's a 10 tick trailing stop. And as you can see, I like to save and reduce risk. So I like to save my points, yet try to get enough space in between so that we can let it run a little bit. Now what I'm looking at, a lot of times I'm in at 5, 10, 15. In this case, looking at it, I can see right at this level here, we've got some support at the 86, 83, 81 area. So that's where I'm looking. That's where I'm looking to go. And I'm going to stay above the 80, so we'll go right to 82. Just right above the bottom of this candle, this one, the top here, the bottom of these candles. And as you can see, right now, 9 ticks saved with a trailing stop. So we're in a risk-free trade, actually more than a risk-free trade at this point, where we're going to get something on our runner, just don't know what yet. Now during the day with these type of trades, what will trigger is 1 to 4. So you do have to be patient. You're not going to be firing off trades all day. And sometimes it does not work like this. If it does not bounce off the levels, a lot of times they'll rocket right through. Well, not a lot. Sometimes they'll rocket right through. And that being the case, there was a stop out. But that's why I use 10 ticks. That's the max I'm willing to risk, is 10 ticks. And then if you do have a runner, I like having a runner with set targets. But in this case, coming down a little more than the 15, I decided 25.
Target filled.
Oh, there we go. Let's see how low this goes. But based upon that, I'm looking right in this area. I wouldn't want to target too much further than this. If I had a target further than this, if you had a runner and would like to let this run, then my suggestion is leave your stop at break even. And after you get 30, 40 pips in it, save 10 or so, but give it enough breathing room. Well, that was the first trade of the day out of this system. We had a couple other quicker trades this morning, and at 11 o'clock we were done trading. Relaxing for the day, and we'll go at it tomorrow. Thanks for listening to this update, and Uncle Mike will see you tomorrow.